Today, hello guys. Today we're going to I'm gonna show you how to make a scratch mouth system. So basically, if you don't know what scratch is, I have to write up top. If you don't know what scratch is, I was checking to see if I was recording. But if you don't know what scratch is, it's a programming language. What's programming language have to do with a mouth system? Now, before you make the mouth system, I'll leave the link to Scratch down below. But before you start the mouth system, you need to join Scratch. Now, I already have a Scratch account, but the bad news is I lost it. Okay guys, now that I've signed in, what you're going to do is you're going to go and click on Create. Now, if any time in this tutorial you don't get what all of this means, you don't really have to get it. You just have to like put it together. You don't really have to get it. But first, before we do anything, we need to design your animated character. So, yeah. Just delete them. Now, when you're designing a character for YouTube, what you're gonna want to do is I think mostly you're just gonna want to create something like that's very simple, you know, like what I'm drawing, something very simple, something very simple like this. You're gonna want to start with something simple. Excuse me, guys. Just start with something simple. And then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna to detract from that, add cool hairstyles. That looks too good. Just add cool hairstyles or something. Still doesn't look like hair. Cool hairstyles or something. You know, just add all of that. And then you would basically add your own stuff to it. There, now we've got our little character. Let's make him, oh, that's too large. Yeah, just a bit larger. I'd say we put him here. Now that you have this, here's what you're gonna need to do. You're gonna need to put off forever. Then you're gonna put this. Then actually you're gonna go here and duplicate this. Then you're going to add this, but you're gonna now you're gonna duplicate this again, make it wider. Duplicate this again, it's wider, and you can go as wide as you want. That's just how far I am going. And then you're gonna put set costume. Then you're gonna put loudness, this in here. Now it works. Or does it? You have to click. You have to let it. You have to allow it to use your microphone. There, now it works. But it's a little bit glitchy. Because even if I'm quiet, it still does that. So we have to minus it by a number. But I think we'll have to minus it by 2 though. I don't really think we're gonna minus it by 2. I mean, it does work. But there is an easy fix. I think I know how to do this. Put this space bar. Put this. Now put this. There. Now when it messes up, you can click the space bar to stop him from talking. Cool, isn't it? But it's kind of annoying how you have to hold it. So what if we put this into a verse? Dun 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 dun. Hello. Yeah, I think this works. And then that is how you set up your Scratch mouth system. I think this is how you're alternatively going to set it up. Although what you can do is you can now this is going to be a much better way of doing it. Hear me out. Take all of, it's like going with the mouth. So I had to copy it. Make sure you copied it. And if you didn't copy it, then just go to the next one, copy it. Now, I might be wondering what I'm doing. Well, this is going to be very useful later on. And, well, it's working. Yes, it works. Great. Well, but what about our character? Well, click on paint over there. And now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna paste. Then put him at the same size he was before, at least a suitable size for the mouth. Just like go and put it at the back. Yo. Now you might be wondering why I did this. Well, I did this because it's a very great reason. I did this because now we can make different poses of him without having to make different poses for the mouth as well. So we can make, a little we can make an angry face. Or we could raise his arm up, as if he was pointing at something. This totally works. And now we're gonna have the ability to swap them. Swap between, if you know what I mean. I just made a rhyme. But anyways, follow what I'm doing. Now, and then that's where you're gonna put this. Start project again, and yep, now we can do this. I'm so angry. There's only all this right here. I'm so angry. Now, if you want to make other poses, you're gonna do the same as I did. You're going to go and duplicate this. Send it over here. Then change whatever you want about it. Then you go over here. And then you add another, you add another if. You add another if then. Then go and put this inside. Put this thing inside of that if then you placed. And then choose a random key that you haven't already used, like C. Then put the switch costume thing in there and pick the one all the way down here. Okay, because that's probably going to be the one actually placed. Yep. Now we have all our little emotions and stuff. But now we're going. So we have this done. But now we're going to be going to the next step. Now what you're going to do is find a screen recording software. I recommend Bandicam. It's very easy for beginners. Now I already have one, but I think it's way too complicated. So you're going to be using Bandicam. What if we download Bandicam? Oh, I'll leave the link in the description, guys. Now select the language. Now you're probably English, but if you're in another language, then you should probably pick that language. Just like pick Ivy. Just like skip through all the things. You're gonna wait for it to install. Okay, I was gonna speed that up with video editing, but that was so fast I don't even need to sleep to do it. Now you've got Bandicam over here. I've used this before, but then again I have all my files deleted. But anyways, now you're gonna go back to Scratch. Okay guys, so what happened was that it turned out the screen recorder didn't my screen recorder didn't record some of the stuff, so I'm gonna redo some of this. So I'm just gonna guess that you probably got Bandicam. So you're gonna go here to rectangular area, and then you're gonna make it look like this, like I already have here. Or you could just like go to here to custom target size, and then pick this and this. Now you're gonna go to here, and then you're gonna go here, and then you're gonna make, and I've already done this, but you're gonna make this, and you're gonna disable this. Now we're just going to yep, let's start. Why won't this work? Come on, man. Oh, sorry guys. I don't think I did it right. We have to at least start the project. Okay, now let's go. So, wait. Come on. So, yeah, I think this is working. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm mad because there's so much right here. Why so much white? I'm mad. So much white here. I'm so mad because there's so much white here. Yeah. So, if you did it correctly, go to videos. And I've already done all this, but go to videos and go here. I think it'll go over here. and you'll see what we recorded. So, yeah, I think this is working. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm mad because yeah, so that's what we recorded. Yeah, so you can record yourself saying anything you want with this little character. And then, so if you wanna, and for making your channel on YouTube, if this is gonna be your first video and you're just beginning, for making a channel on YouTube, I think you can figure that out yourself. It's pretty easy, but if you can't, I'll probably have like a follow-up video where I explain how to make the YouTube channel and stuff. Now, bye, subscribe, like and subscribe and stuff. Yeah.